Hello, thank you for stopping by and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea.
Today we are diving into a diverse playlist where each creator showcased their own unique crafts with an essential twist. One of the projects must include a mirror, and I am thrilled to present to you our guest host, creating it myself with La Parsha, and our co-host, Grace Neighbors Sharon. Every month, Loli and I put this playlist together and we are honored to do so. I will be leaving the links directly to their channels down in my description box. Please make sure to check out all their channels, subscribe, share, and like to their channels, and make sure to let them know that I send you. For my first project, I have some of these shelves that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be crafting with 3 of them, and I'm going to be giving all 3 of them 2 coats of linen white chalk paint. So now after the second coat, everything is completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and put this over here to the side. And this Gather Award, I bought it or I purchased it at Dollar General. They come 2 in a package. I'm going to be giving it 2 coats with this metallic silver paint. I went to Dollar General the other day and they had some amazing fall items, and I purchased several items. And this particular item that you see here, I purchased 4 of them, 4 packages, and they all have 2 words inside: grateful and gather. I was so thrilled to have purchased these because you could use this for so many projects. So I was just like happy. So now I gave it 1 coat. And as you see, I went and I dried it, and I'm putting that to the side. I'm coming in with these tile mirrors, also from Dollar Tree. I purchased these a couple of years ago. I'm not sure if they still have them. I have not seen them lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and with my X-Acto knife, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting strips of them, and I am going to be gluing them with it's self-adhesive, but just to ensure that they're not gonna fall out, I'm gonna also use some hot glue, and I am going to be placing them around all 4 corners of this piece. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue this gather sign right here. And this is going to be, oh my God, I am loving this. I am so happy once again. You can tell how thorough I am that I purchased these words. So I'm going to go ahead and use plenty of hot glue. I'm going to make sure that this does not fall out because this is going to go to my wall. This is how much I love this DIY. And you know, guys, I craft farmhouse, I do thrift flips, I do a lot of things, but my favorite thing to do, to craft I should say, is Glam. I love Glam. And these corners here, they did not look even in the four corners, so that's why I'm adding 4 of these additional mirrors. And these mirrors I purchased them, wow, I think about 4 or 5 years ago through Amazon, and I still have some leftovers. I've done a lot of crafts with them, and this is going to turn out so absolutely gorgeous. Now, I didn't show on camera that I put a hook in the back of this piece, and then that's how I am going to be hanging it on the wall. This project is so glamorous. I am absolutely loving it. I have my new place, and of course, you know that my walls are all empty, so I am trying to craft things that are going to match my decor, and this is one of the pieces that I'm going to be adding to my wall. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts. Let me know if you like it, what you would do different. I mean, just comment and let me know your opinion. I truly do appreciate it. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And here is the final reveal. For this second project, I have this plate from Dollar Tree and this candle holder from a garage sale. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue both of these pieces together. I'm gonna add plenty of hot glue because I don't want these to come apart. And then once they are nice and glued in, I'm gonna go ahead and take them outside and spray paint them. And the paint that I will be using is from Rust-Oleum, and it is in white. So now it's nice and dry. I waited about an hour and a half. Now with the same mirror tiles, I'm gonna take individual ones and I'm just gonna be adding a drop of hot glue, and then I'm gonna be placing them right, just like you see right here on each of these individual sections. And once this is done, you could use it to put decorations on top of it. You could probably use individual, you know, like cookies, something that's already wrapped, because of course I'm not sure that this is food friendly or food safe, because we did use that Rust-Oleum spray paint. Well, I'm gonna be using it just to put decorations on top of it, so that's how I'm gonna be displaying it. I have several options that I will be showing you, and I am so happy the way this turned out. And just a reminder, my dear friends, the Talented Creators playlist is down below. Don't forget to visit these talented creators. They are also anxiously waiting for you to stop by, and by giving them lots of love, subscribing, sharing, and liking. And my dear friends, here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. Moving on to our next project, I have some more of these shelves, like I said in the beginning of the video. So both of these, I'm going to be removing the metal section, and then I'm going to be giving it 2 coats with linen white chalk paint. I also want to say happy birthday to Gwen and Melissa. When you go over to their channel, make sure to tell them that I said happy birthday. Once I paint both of these shelves with 2 coats of linen white chalk paint, then I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side. I'm planning on replacing my flooring. So I went to Home Depot and I purchased, or I didn't purchase because they give it to you for free, this flooring sample that you see here. And I totally forgot that I had it. Looking through my stash, I'm like, I could probably use this as a shelf. So that's what I'm using. I'm going to be giving it 2 coats with linen white chalk paint. I'm gonna be doing that to both of them. All 4 pieces now are all completely dry, so I'm going to see which of these corner brackets is the best for this shelf. I thought about this one, but then I remember that I have some white ones, and those are the ones that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be putting them right here with some hot glue, only to have some stability while I come in with some screws and my little cordless drill. So I'm going to do the same procedure to both of the shelves because that is what I am creating. Once I was placing these corner brackets, I noticed that I didn't paint the bottom section, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint all of it once I put this in place. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here in the middle. I pre-drilled the holes and that should be it. I'm gonna be doing the same thing to both of those shelves. So now it's time to paint the little screws and the bottom of the shelf, just to make it sure that, it looks nice and finished. Coming back with the same mirror tiles that I've been using, and because this collaboration you must use some type of mirror on one of your projects, but I decided to use the same mirror tiles on all 4 of my projects today. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. Look at how gorgeous this looks. This looks so nice and classy. I am totally in love with these projects. I also want to extend my heartfelt thank you to all my viewers, whether you're here for the first time or joining me from another platform. Your support means the world to me. If you are enjoying what you see, please consider subscribing to join our community. For my dedicated subscribers, your continuing support is truly appreciated and vital to the existing of this channel. Don't forget to check out the playlist down below for more inspiration. And as you can see, I'm doing the same thing to both of the shelves. They are so beautiful and glamorous. I am so happy with the turnout of these projects. This is exactly what I was looking for. There is a spot in my living room that I'm going to be placing these glamorous items. And again, my dear friends, don't forget to visit Loli D's Creations channel, along with creating it myself with La Parsha and Grace Neighbors with Sharon. Give them a lots of love and let them know that I send you. And here is the final reveal.